Friends, hope you all are fine and safe. We were discussing about chapter number 8, our creepy crawly friends, where in our earlier videos we have discussed about insects. Today we will discuss some more different types of creatures. Worms. Worms are the small creatures that have very soft body. They does not have bones and they have a long tube-like body. If we talk about one commonly known and seen worms, then earthworms are the best example. Earthworms, they have very long body that is divided into many parts. These parts are called segments. Every segment has a pair of legs that helps the earthworm to crawl. Same way, if we see snails, snails are also belongs to the category of worms that does not have any internal bones, but they have a hard outer covering that is called shell. So whenever you have visited beaches and all, you might have observed these shells, and many children they like to collect these shells, but these shells they are the protective coverings of these snails. So whenever a snail senses danger, it can roll its body inside that shell and it can protect itself from the enemies. Same way, we have a separate category and separate family of animals that is called reptiles. So lizards, garden lizards, chameleons, all they belong to the family of reptiles. The lizards, they eat the small insects like butterflies, houseflies, ants and all other different types of insects with the help of their long sticky tongue. So, whenever they see any prey, they release their long tongue that can easily attack the insect. That means as it is sticky, the insect can easily get stuck to that tongue and then it can roll its tongue inside and that becomes the food of that lizard, right? Same way, chameleons can match their body color according to their surroundings. This is called camouflage. So the chameleons, they are well known for their camouflaging. That means they can match their skin color, body color according to their surroundings so that no one can spot them. No one will be able to know that there is a chameleon present. Now this camouflaging helps in two ways. It helps the animals to attack their prey, attack the food, and second thing, it helps these animals to protect themselves from their enemies or their predators. So chameleon is the well known creature that can easily change its skin color. That means if it is on the tree near the leaves, then it looks green. If it is on the bark of the tree, it looks the light brown color. If it is on the soil, again it looks like the soil color. So it can change its skin color different ways. So that is what about reptiles. Then we have spiders. We can see spiders everywhere. Spiders, neither they are insects nor they are worms and neither they are reptiles. They belong to a very different family. They have 8 legs and we can see different spiders. There are many varieties of these spiders. They have 8 legs and they spins web. That means they release one liquid from their mouth that changes into fine threads, and this spider, it spins its web with these fine threads. So we know that we always learn that spider lives in a web. So it is a self-made home for the spider. With the help of the liquid, it changes into thread, and these threads or fibers can be spun to make the web. And whenever any small insect passes through the web, it gets stuck in that web and it can be easily eaten by the spider. So, it is one of the way to catch its prey, to get its food, right. So, we can see the spiders anywhere, like we can see in the corner of the houses, especially in the rooms, corner of the rooms, right. Then it can be seen on the plants, it can be seen on the dark corners of the cupboards and all. So, the spider can spin its web anywhere, right. So, we can see different varieties of spiders. Some are small, some are very big. So, these are the things about spiders. So, students, we have learned different varieties of small creatures that creeps, that crawls on the ground, right. So, hope you have understood the chapter and read the chapter properly. Then we will discuss some more points about these animals or these creatures, that is our creepy crawly friends. Bye.